Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect laptop to TV via HDMI. Quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by locating the HDMI port on your laptop. Next, identify the HDMI port on your TV. Take your HDMI cable and plug one end into your laptop's HDMI port. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV's HDMI port. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input using your TV remote. Now, power on your laptop. Once your laptop boots up, it should automatically detect the TV as a second display. If you don't see the TV display immediately, press the Windows key and the letter P simultaneously on your keyboard. A sidebar will appear with display options. Choose either duplicate or extend based on your preference. If you're using a Mac, click on the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Then click on Displays. Hold down the Option key and click on Detect Displays. Your TV should appear as an available display. Adjust the resolution settings if needed for optimal clarity. To return your laptop display to its original state, repeat the same steps. Enjoy your content displayed on the big screen. Now you're ready to watch movies, play games, or give presentations directly from your laptop to your TV. That's it. You've successfully connected your laptop to your TV via HDMI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.